Most people keep asking me, how big is Corobe farm? Now, this farm has fish, chickens, vegetables, and fruits. But everything on this small piece of land sustains itself while creating a stream of money, a stream of income. Most farmers fail because they rely on one source of income. But in this video today, I'm going to show you how I combine fish farming, chicken farming, bees farming, fruits farming, vegetables farming to create a self-sustaining farm. So welcome to Corobe Poultry Farm. Right now, I'm taking you to where my pond is. This is the place that I sit relaxing while watching my fish play. So slowly, this is my pond. And so I hope you will be able to see. I think you can see them from very far there. Let me zoom in so that you can see. Yeah, there. Yeah, this right here is my pond. So I hope you can see me, and I hope you can see the pond behind me. Yeah, let me balance my cape properly. So that is my pond, and that is where I'm practicing fish farming, or simply called aquaculture. So this place is not only a fishing or a place where I'm rearing my fish, but also it is a very nice place where I come to relax. Yeah, being a very busy week, you want to relax. So I also come to this place just watching my fish play, feeding them, and also thinking and planning for the future. You get me, right? So you might be wondering what took me to fish farming, right? So what exactly took me to fish farming was just one thing. It was not even about the aspect of money, but rather when I was young, let me tell you a story. When I was young, I really loved going to the river for fishing, right? So we'll catch those small fish from the river, and that really used to make me very happy, right? So when I grew up, I learned so much about fishing, and I decided, like, why not have this fish near me so that childhood fantasies could come true. I hope you are getting me, right? Yes, so I decided to dig 2 ponds. So one pond is this one. I hope you are seeing this point behind me. Yeah, this pond is right here. And the other one is in the other far end. I'm going to turn my camera so that you can be able to see the other pond. So let me go to the other end so that you can actually see the other pond that is in the very far end. So guys, forgive my camera. It is not very okay. It's not very good. But I hope here, yeah, here you can see this point right here. This is the first pond that I did. And I put there roughly 2,000 tilapia fish. Last time when I was bringing those fingerlings, I was able to show you how we were putting them there. We went to buy the fingerlings at the hatchery, and actually we brought them here, the 2,000 tilapia fingerlings. So the other pond is full of mudfish. You call them mudfish or catfish, sorry. It is full of catfish. I have there like 1,000 catfish. But I will tell you another story at the end of this video. So don't go anywhere. But right now, let me go and show you the other pond so that you can see it. So right here is the first pond which I've been showing you. So let us go to the other end so that you can be able to see another pond. But before we reach there, it is there. So we have a garden here, which I will show you what is there in another video. But right now, let's come here. So this is the pond, the second pond that I did, which has the catfish. Fish farming is one of the most profitable agribusinesses today. That is only if you control feeding costs. Right now, these fish are about 3 to 4 months. Okay, and as they grow, their demand in the market keeps increasing. The advantage of fish farming is very simple. There is high demand, fast growth, and also good returns. But here is where it gets interesting. This pond is not working alone. These are my chickens, and they play a very, very important role in this ecosystem. Most farmers spend a lot of money on feeds, but here I reduce that cost by integrating natural feeding methods. Particularly, I use the vegetables, and also I use azolla. Some of the feeds come from within the farm, which means there is lower expenses and higher profit margins. And of course, there is egg production, which is very high, and it is a daily source of income on this farm. Yes, so behind me here is a small garden of vegetables. This is where we are doing our vegetables. So let me go inside, okay, so that I can show you guys what we call farming. This is real farming. Guys, I hope you can be able to see. Yeah, this is our small garden full of vegetables. Here we have sukuma wiki. I hope all of you know this spinach. And yeah, we have a tomato here. We have a tomato here. I hope you can see. This is a whole garden. Can you see that? This is a whole garden, because here we also have some onion here. Yeah, so as you can see, our tomato is just about to ripen. Yeah, guys, I have been showing you all this in our videos. Some people who live in town think farming is just for the poor people. You think that this is just a small garden, sacks, soil, and maybe vegetables. But inside this fence, there is an ecosystem. We have sukuma, spinach, tomatoes, onions, sucha, and many other vegetables you have never seen. They are all stacked upward, growing where others see no space, right? Food is on a daily basis. Money is flowing silently. Even the chickens are feeding on this same garden. While others struggle, this small space is multiplying value. There's no land. Okay, there's no problem. You have no money, then you need to think again. Because this place is protected, secured, and controlled. Because what is inside here is not just farming. It is survival. It is income. Okay? It is independence. This is the power of sack farming. If you have not started this, then you need to try and think again. This is a whole garden, a whole farm, which is really generating a certain good amount of revenue, so to speak. Yeah, they say you don't count your chicks, but this farm is self-sustaining, because behind me there is our hive, is our apiary, and I'm going to show you where we are rearing our bees. And yes, we harvest honey. So walk with me. I show you where we are putting, where our apiary is. So guys, slowly walk with me as I take you to where our bees are. They are right now very hostile because, let me zoom in. I hope you can see there. Okay, let us just go near. Yeah, right now they are very hostile because they have some honey. So I have to, one is here. This is the first one. I hope you can see it. This is our first one, and that, I hope you can be able to see it, that is our second one. Yeah, so guys, this is our apiary. Let me zoom in. I don't want to go close because the bees are very hostile right now. So this is our first one. Let me walk far. I'm not wearing the correct clothes to be here, but they are friendly to me because they know me. So this is our second one. It is right there. I hope guys you can see them. I have picked some fruits from the farm. This is passion fruits. They are very sweet. Yeah, this is passion fruits, but I have other fruits. This avocado. Yeah, I also have a pawpaw. This is pawpaw, and I also have some other fruits. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see them here. What do you call these fruits in your language? So I'm eating these fruits. Yeah, they are very sweet, by the way. I'm eating them as I watch my fish play. This is the joy of farming. This is Corobe Poultry Farm. So right now I'm standing at the tree of our guavas. I have over 50 types of fruits on this farm. Very nice. And this is our piece. So we just get this piece direct from the farm to the kitchen. That is the beauty of farming in this very small piece of land. So if you want to build a farm like this, just start small, but think like a system. This is just the beginning, because in the next video, I'll show you how to reduce the chicken feeding costs using just farm-grown feeds. So this is Corobe Poultry Farm. Please consider subscribing. We are now at 20,000 subscribers. Please let us push it to 50,000 subscribers. Until the next video, that's all for now. Bye-bye.